Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide the Google Chat tab on Gmail apps. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Gmail application. Once you're on your main inbox screen, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll notice a gear icon there, which is your gateway to all of Gmail's settings and customization options. Go ahead and click on this gear icon to reveal a drop-down menu with quick settings options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option that says See All Settings. This is typically found near the bottom of the Quick Settings panel. Click on it to access the full settings menu where you can make more detailed adjustments to your Gmail experience. This is where you'll find all the advanced configuration options that aren't available in the Quick Settings view. Once the full settings page loads, you'll see several tabs at the top of the screen. Navigate through these tabs and click on the one labeled Chat and Meet. This section specifically controls how Google's communication features integrate with your Gmail interface, giving you full control over whether these tools appear in your sidebar or remain hidden. Now, within the Chat and Meet section, you'll see various options related to chat functionality. Look for the setting simply labeled Chat. This controls the visibility of the Google Chat panel that typically appears on the left side of your Gmail interface. Next to this option, you'll see radio buttons that let you toggle the feature on or off. To hide the Google Chat tab, click the radio button next to Off. This will immediately disable the chat panel from appearing in your Gmail interface, giving you a cleaner, more focused view of just your email. The change takes effect right away, so you don't need to save anything or refresh the page. And that's it. You've successfully hidden the Google Chat tab from your Gmail apps, streamlining your interface to focus solely on email management. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.